Hi everyone. This short video talks about what are non-functional requirements and why do we need them. I'm Rashmi, Senior IT Analyst. I'm your coach for this topic. Let us understand non-functional requirement with a simple example. Here is a case study. A client has asked for a system to be developed for his restaurant venture, pizzahouse.co.in. The system requires to have a portal where different fresh food menu items are available and users can order food online. This is the prototype of the website, which looks like this. The IT team does a fantastic job. The team develops the website covering all the scenarios with respect to agreed and documented functionalities and delivers it to the client. The website has all the mentioned features, functions, looks as per client's requirement. It has been thoroughly tested too. Everyone looks to be very happy and envisions a great business hereafter. Now, for the first few orders, while searching food menu, the system gets stuck and keeps on showing the downloading sign. The user clicks on to check items. Ideally, system expects users to give their details first. However, the system shows waiting sign. It actually tests the user's patience while the hourglass is just turning up and down. Even worse, after a few seconds of wait, the end customers get to see page not available. Don't you think this kind website cannot survive in the market? The client would have thought a big figure for ROI, that is, return on investment. He has no other go now but to get the solution redesigned. Let us see what exactly went wrong. So during the requirement analysis, there were few misses. They were: number one, wellness of functionality. It was not checked how well the functionality of the website will be performing. Number two, process and people. The process and people aspect of the solution had gone unnoticed or not given importance. And these quality attributes of the functionality are called non-functional requirements, or NFR. Let us see what are different kinds of non-functional requirements. Below is an exhaustive list. This is referenced from Babcock Guide. Number one, availability. It questions the solution whether it is operable and accessible when required for use. Is the system available during peak hours of its usage? What is the percentage of availability during festive season? Compatibility, degree to which the solution operates effectively with other components in its environment. So suppose a module is based on Java and Oracle, whether the reports are using different BI tools. The components should be compatible to each other. Maintainability, ease with which a solution or component can be modified to correct faults, improve performance, or other attributes, or adapt to a changed environment. Performance efficiency. This talks about load and stress to the system. How will be the system's performance? Portability. This talks about the ease with which a solution or component can be transferred from one environment to another. Reliability. This is also called resilient feature. For any failure condition, how reliable is the system? Do we need to bring the system down and up every time? Scalability, the degree with which a solution is able to grow or evolve to handle increased amounts of work. Suppose a system is currently handling hundreds of users. With business growing, can the system accommodate 1,000 users at a time? Security. This focuses on solution content to be protected. Usability, ease with which a user can learn to use the solution. Certification. It focuses on certain industry standards and or conventions. For example, similar kind solution for pharmaceutical industry and investment bank will be totally different. Compliance, regulatory, financial, or legal constraints, which can vary based on the context or jurisdiction. Localization, requirements dealing with local languages, laws, currencies, cultures, spellings, and other characteristics of the users, which requires attention to the context. Like these days, many ERPs have India localization as a different module itself. SLA, that is Service Level Agreement, focuses on the agreement between the solution provider and the user. Response time, turnaround times need to be documented in detail. This also might take inputs from different frameworks like ITIL, etc. Extensibility. Can the solution incorporate new functionalities? So if you see, all these categories lead to one aspect, and that is customer experience. In terms of benefits to customers, that is value, cost, or quality. Market research has shown focusing on customer experience is the most exciting opportunity for a business. In fact, one American research shows that 60% of the customers are willing to pay for the better customer experience. So by now, we are clear we cannot simply ignore non-functional requirements. Let us discuss with another case study. There is 15-year-old manually scaled system which maintains database for XYZ Corporation, which deals with transportation and its maintenance within a state. Last year, the business grew and started dealing in interstate as well. Also, by end of this quarter, they are into legal affair of acquiring faster and fastest courier company. Their requirement is to upgrade this software to automation platform, which supports the processes from the legacy system. The expected software should support the processes from the acquired system as well. The quality of the required functionalities are analyzed during requirement analysis phase of SDLC. The analysts come up with their different studies. Suppose they have come up with studies like the expected database will be large as compared to the legacy system. It has to be very large compared to the legacy system. Any access to proposed database will take time. So this study leads to scalability requirement. Number 2, since the business has grown big, the expectant number of visitors are higher by 15%. This might result in downtime to the existing infrastructure. This study will lead to performance requirement. To provide faster turnaround, the software should be supported via mobiles. If someone wants to use the updates and all, she can do it on the mobile. Now this analysis, this requirement leads to interoperability requirement. The last one, the new solutions should allow all the processes to operate efficiently. There are different components from different systems to be integrated, and this will lead to compatibility. So we are clear with the non-functional requirements of this first case. Let us go back to our first case study of pizzahouse.co.in. If along with the functional requirements, the solution was also focused on scalability and performance, the website would have done amazing business. We hope that by now you have a fair idea on how business needs to give better experience, better customer experience via these non-functional requirements. We hope this video was helpful to you. Please feel free to contact us for any queries. All these related topics are discussed comprehensively in all our business analysis certification courses like ECBA, CCBA, CBAP, Certified Agile Business Analyst, and Agile Analyst Certification. Thank you.